Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can log in Canva with Facebook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Canva application. Once you tap on it, you'll be brought up with the login homepage of Canva. Now here, as you can see, there are many options to log in. You can log in either from Apple, Google, Facebook, email, or from the other way. So here we have to log in from Facebook. So what you can do is go ahead and tap on continue with Facebook. Now once you tap on it, you'll be taken to the Facebook website. Now continue from your account, or you can choose any account that you want to continue with from the Facebook. So once you tap on it, you'll be successfully logged into Canva with Facebook. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.